Alright, so go tayo sa number 15 of Algebra 2. So, actually nasa worded problems na tayo guys na. Ayan. So, the first type of worded problem here na is about integers na or digits sa problem na. Okay? Okay. So, number 15, the sum of three consecutive odd integers is 75. Okay. So when we say consecutive odd integers, so example niyan, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth. Okay. So mga odd integers na magkakasunod-sunod. So kung meron kang tatlo, halimbawa niya 1, 3, 5 or 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth. Now, the sum of the three integers na must be 75. So, what we are looking for is the largest integer. Okay? So, let's say, um, x. Okay? Ito yung smallest. Okay? Let's say, it is an odd integer na. Okay? Smallest odd integer. Okay? Pero guys na merong expression na will make sure that a number is an odd. Okay, 'di ba guys, no? Ay yung even lagi siyang divisible by 2. So yung mga even numbers na pwede mo siyang isulat as 2k. Okay? So to make sure that a number is odd, okay, kailangan mag-add ka lang ng 1. Okay? So numbers of the form 2k plus 1 is an odd integer na. Okay? So dito, inassume natin yung x ay odd integer na. Okay? So ibig sabihin dapat lumabas yan si x mamaya pag sinolve natin. Okay, it must be odd. Okay? So, kahit di nyo gawin 'to 'no, okay? Ito kasi ano lang siya, assurance na odd siya 'no, pero puwede niyong gawin 'to, 'no, 2k plus 1 yung smallest odd integer. Okay? Now, if x is the smallest odd integer, so ano yung susunod na number? Okay? Kung mapapansin niyo, yung difference nila is 2. Okay? Yung mga consecutive odd integers. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ano yung susunod na, um, ah, odd integer. Okay, so that is x plus 2. Okay, so next odd integer, and then susunod, so mag-add ka ulit ng 2, kaya magiging x plus 4. So that means this is the largest, okay, among the three. Okay, largest odd integer. Okay. Okay, now yung sum na lang tatlo must be 75. So you just have to add these are three expressions now. Okay, the smallest plus the next integer na x plus 2. Okay, and then the largest na x plus 4. Okay, so the sum must be 75. Then solve for x now. Okay, meron tayong 3x's dito. So 3x yan. And then 2 plus 4 is 6 equal to 75. Okay, so transpose yung 6 magiging minus yan. Okay, so 3x is equal to 75 minus 6. Okay, 75 minus 6 is 69. Okay, then divide both sides by 3. Okay, so on the left side, x na lang yan, then 69 over 3. 69 over 3 is 23. So ito guys yung smallest, no? Okay, so always go back to the representation of numbers, no? Okay, or of the unknown. Okay, yung x natin smallest yan. So therefore, yung next integer is 23 plus 2, di ba? So that is 25. And the largest is x plus 4, which is 23 plus 4. Okay, so 27. So our required is the largest integer. Okay, therefore the answer is 27. Okay, 27. So that must be letter B. Okay, next number. Okay, 16. Okay, thrice the sum of two numbers is 30, and the sum of their squares is 52. Okay, find the product of the numbers. Okay, so thrice the sum of two numbers is 30. Okay, so x and y. Okay, be the unknown numbers. Okay, in this case, guys, now you can find the values of x and y or the unknown numbers or pwedeng hindi. Okay, so I will show you no na hindi required kunin dito yung values ng unknown numbers. Okay? Um, with the unknown numbers. Okay. So, ganito yan na, okay? Kung yung unknown numbers ay x and y, therefore, ano yung sum nila? Okay, siyempre yung sum is x plus y. Okay? Yung sum. Okay, according to the problem, trace the sum. Okay? The two numbers must be equal to 30. Okay? So, 3 times ng sum. So, 3 times of x plus y is equal to 30. Okay? Simplify natin. So, divide natin both sides by 30, by 3. Okay? So, what will happen? So, x plus y na lang yan. Sa right side, so 30 over 3 which is equal to 10. Okay? Ito yung ano mo, equation 1. And the sum of their squares. Okay, pag sinabing sum ng squares, okay, yung square ng x and then yung square ng y, pag inad natin, dapat daw 52. Okay? Guys, ang required the product of the numbers. Okay, so hinahanap dyan is yung x times y. So, ano yung value niyan? Okay, so sabi nga, hindi required dito yung values ng x and y. Okay, so tinan niya sa equation number 2 natin, x squared y squared. Sa equation 1, x plus y. So, parang tayong kakaroon dito ng x squared y squared. Okay, from x plus y. Okay, since naka-square yung x saka y, okay, you have to take the squares of the both sides of equation 1. Okay, so ganito yan na. So, take squares. Okay. Of both sides. Okay, of 1. Okay, so ganito yan na. X plus y squared is equal to 10 squared. So, anong ganawa mo sa left side, kailangan ganun din sa right side. Okay, para balance na. Okay, so expand natin yung x plus y squared. That is x squared by using special product. Okay, so x plus y squared is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equal to 100. Okay, then we will make some groupings here na. Okay, so dito ko ilagay yung x squared. Okay, then yung plus y squared. Okay, then plus 2xy equal to 100. Now, what is x squared plus y squared? Okay, yung x squared plus y squared natin, ayun siya guys, no? 52. Okay, so papalitan natin siya ng 52. Ayan, so 52 is yung sum ng squares na plus 2xy 2xy is equal to 100. Okay. Okay, dito na tayo sa kabila. Okay, transpose 52 on the right side. Okay, so magiging minus yan na. Ayan, 2xy equal to 100 minus 52. Okay. So that is 48. Then divide both sides by 2. Okay, so now we will have xy now on the left side. Okay, 48 over 2, or that is 24. Okay, so the required product is 24. Okay, that will be letter B. Okay, next number 17. So okay, next part will be about distance rate problem. Okay, so distance rate problem, no. Okay, pag yung body or particle na is moving at constant speed, so ang gagamitin mo lang dyan na formula na. Okay, for distance rate problem. Okay, distance okay, rate okay, problem. Okay, ang tagas na paikot-ikot lang ang formula dito eh. Sa distance rate problem. Okay, always remember na yung rate natin or the speed, okay, is equal to distance traveled over the time. Okay? So, bawa yung rate mo is R, yung distance is D, and then the time is T. Okay? Okay, papaikutin mo lang yan. Bawa, to get the distance, okay, so just multiply the rate by the time. To get the time, okay, gagawin mo lang dyan is divide the distance by the rate. And ano lang tayo guys, no, when doing um distance rate problems, no, okay, ba kasi pag different scenarios, kailangan lang dito, okay, is consistent ang units, no. So kung anong ginawa mo sa equation, kung ba distance mo ay naka meters, yung time ay naka seconds, okay, so ibig sabihin yung rate mo is meter per second. Okay, so ganun gagawin mo sa ibang equation, no, para meron tayong consistency. Okay? Ano, naka-kilometer tayo, naka-hour, okay? So, yun ang gagamitin mong units na. Okay? Kailangan pare-parehas, no? Um, you cannot use different units na, okay? Kasi, you know that, siyempre, when we convert, halimbawa, meter to kilometer, okay? Meron siyang conversion factor. Also, from second to hour, meron silang conversion factor. No? Okay? Okay, so a tunnel 1 kilometer long. Okay, a tunnel is 1 kilometer long. A train 250 meters long is passing through the tunnel at 250 kilometers per hour. So as you can see, okay, distances given. Okay, meron tayong meters tapos meron tayong kilometers na. Now, how long will it take to the train to completely pass the tunnel? Okay? So, pag sinabing completely pass, ibig sabihin yung entire length of the um, uh, train, okay, lumampas na dun sa may 1 kilometers long na tunnel. Okay? So, ganito yan. Okay, so let's say, ah, okay, ito yung ating tunnel. Yan. Okay? So, let's say ito yung train. Okay, mag-start pala siya na. Okay, try natin. Ayan. Okay, yung train natin is 250 meters long or that is yung 250 meters guys. That is the same as okay, 0.25 kilometers, no? Kasi 1,000 meters no is equal to 1 kilometers. Okay? Okay, then the length of the mahal na may siat na lang kasi over divide 4 yan eh. Ay, habaan natin ng habaan para medyo realistic na. Let's say, ganito kahaba yung ating train. Okay, so assuming that, ayan. Okay, so, assuming na sakto lang yung yung pasok ng train sa tunnel. Again, this is 250 meters or 0.25 kilometers na. Okay, then the length of the tunnel is 1 kilometer. When we say completely pass, okay, so after some time, okay, so ito na yung ating magiging scenario na. Okay, ilan yan? Apat na. So, andito na guys yung tunnel. Ay, andito na yung train after some time. Okay, yan siya. Okay. So, ano yung na-travel na distance ah train? Okay, so ang titignan mo lang diyan guys na yung dulo niya, no? Okay? Yung point na at the start of the train. Okay, so yan yung point A mo. Okay, so after some time, andito na yung point A mo, syempre. Okay, yan na. So, ang travel na distance ng train is the sum of the length of the tunnel, okay, and the length of the train, which is 0.25 kilometers. Okay? So the distance traveled is 1 kilometers na plus 0.25 kilometer. Okay? So that is 1.25 kilometers na. Okay? Let's say okay, siyempre lagi yan, di madalas no. Ito yung time. Okay? Time to completely pass the tunnel. Okay? So, as you kasi guys na yung time dito is sa given rate natin naka-hour. So, let's say naka-hour siya na. Okay. Hour. Ayan. Okay. So, we know that the time, okay, time natin guys na is equal to the distance over rate. Okay. Yung distance natin is, 1.25 yan eh. 1.25. 1.25 kilometers. No? Okay, divided by ang ating rate is 25 kilometers na per hour. Ayan. So, cancel dyan guys yung unit na kilometer. Okay? So, equal to, ano yung 1.25 divided ng 25? Okay, so that is 1 over 20 or 0.05 hour. Okay, sa choices, ang mga units na given is naka-minute. Okay, so you will convert, okay, and this time into minutes na. So to do that, okay, convert natin siya na. Okay, so by using the conversion, test natin ang, di ba, in 1 hour, okay, check ko lang, baka natakpan. In 1 hour, okay, meron tayong, okay, 60 minutes. Okay, ayan, so cancel yung unit na hour dyan. So 60 times 0.05, okay, times 60, that is 3. So that means na, okay, the 1 kilometer tunnel will be na completely passed by the train in 0.05 hour or in 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. Ayan. 3 minutes is letter D. Letter D. Ayan. Okay, next um number 18. Okay, an airplane went 360 miles in 2 hours. Okay, with the wind and flying back at the same route. It took 3 hours and 36 minutes against the wind. So, what was its speed in still air? Okay, so ito naman guys na distance rate problem that involves the speed of the air. Okay, so sa physics niya guys na, okay, di ba meron tayong tinatawag na relative speed. Okay, so when we travel na against and with the wind, okay, so it will be yung ating magiging relative rate or speed will be affected na by the wind. Okay, so tandaan guys na when kahit guys kahit doon sa may yung boat na traveling upstream and downstream. Okay, so same lang same scenario lang 'yon. Okay, so ibig sabihin same concept yung gagamitin nyo when you encounter those kind of worded problems na. Okay, so remember, pag with the wind or um uh, pwede rin water. Okay, Ayan. So, ang other term dyan is downstream na. Okay? Downstream. Down, downstream. Okay? Speeds or rates, okay, are additive. Okay? So, kasi guys, dito sa algebra, okay, we assume that the particle or body is moving at the same direction na as the wind or water na. Kumbaga ano yan, straight line na. Para sa straight line, na kunyari ganyan na. Yan yung ano mo sa wind tapos ito naman yung sa ano mo sa boat or sa airplane. Okay. And then pag against the wind na. Okay. Pag against the wind, against the wind. Okay? Against the wind, okay, or water, no, or water, current, ba, ganun, no? So, other term for against the wind or water is upstream. Okay, upstream. Yan naman, so speeds are subtractive. Okay? Speeds are subtractive. Okay, so sinusubtract is na siya. Siyempre, ibig sabihin nun, i-minus mo lang yung mga speed. No? Halimbawa, yung ano, yung speed ng ano ng airplane is A. Tapos yung speed ng water or wind is B. So the relative speed, okay, with respect to the ground. Kumbaga, kung mayroong observer sa ground, ito yung na-observe na speed. So A plus B. Okay, dito naman guys ano sa again. So that is A minus B. Okay, ganun lang siya, no? Siyempre, lagi nasa unahan guys yung, ano, yung speed ng airplane or boats. Of course, no, it will travel, no? It must travel faster than the water or the wind. Okay. Okay. So, wala naman guys, ano, ipaatras na motion ng boat or airplane, di ba? Ganun yun, no? So, ano, very simple logic. Okay. Okay, so let's say, okay, let x. Okay, ito yung speed, okay, of the airplane. Okay, okay, still air. So, ibig sabihin, pag ano, pag di siya affected by the air na. Okay, the unit must be in, okay, miles per hour. So, mph na. Okay, then let's say, yung y naman, okay, yung speed of air. Okay, speed of air na. Again, in miles per hour. Okay. Dito guys na ang gagamitin nating equation is yung or formula is yung rate. Rate is equal to siguro ibang kulay, no. We'll use the formula rate is equal to distance, okay, over time. Okay? Yan ang gagamitin natin na in both scenarios na, okay? In going upstream and then downstream. Okay, so the first one, ganyan guys pag the same route, okay, so syempre pag same route, same distance, um, syempre, obviously na, okay, the airplane na, okay, is traveling faster na, in going with the wind. Okay, as compared to the journey no, when the airplane is traveling against the wind. Okay, so una dito tayo na. Ayan. Pag tayo ay nauna dyan is with the wind. Okay, with the wind with the wind muna tayo. So with the wind, okay, distance 36 miles, 360 miles, and then the time is 2 hours. Okay, so with the wind, ang ating rate is yung sum ng speed ng airplane tsaka speed ng air. So that is x plus y. Yan lang, with the wind. Okay, so x plus y, ito yung rate natin. The distance is 360. Okay, miles over the time of 2 hours. So that is 180. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 180. So this will be your equation number 1. Okay. Now, flying back at the same route. So obviously guys now, okay, yung time mas malaki, no? Kasi merong ano, merong hindrance na yung air. It took 3 hours and 36 minutes. Okay? Ayan. So against the wind. Against the wind. Okay, so the same route, so ibig sabihin same distance. Okay? Ang time natin guys is 3 hours. 3 hours. Okay, plus ano 'yan, 36 minutes. Okay, minutes. So gawin natin siyang ano, gawin natin siyang naka-hours lahat 'no. So 3 hours siyempre. Okay, plus convert mo yung 36 minutes into hour. So that is 36 minutes na multiplied by in 1 hour, meron tayong 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes na. Ayan. So 3 plus 36 over 60. Okay. Okay, 3 plus divisible by 12 na. So 3 over 5. Ayan yung ano. Ayan yung 36 over 60 na. Okay. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3. Okay, that is 18. Okay, so 18 over 5. 18 over 5. So, ginamit ko guys yung fraction. Okay, kasi ganito yan. Yun yung dito na. Okay, so pag against the wind, the relative speed is x minus y. Yung ating distance is 360 miles per ren over the time 18 over 5. So 360 over 18 over 5 is the same as 360 times 5 over 18. Okay. 360 over 18 is 20 times 5, that is 100. Okay. So the second equation guys is okay. Okay, therefore yung second equation natin is x minus y is equal to 100. Okay? Diba guys, ang kailangan natin dito is x lang, yung value ng x, which is the speed of the airplane in still water. Okay, so, um, uh, okay, remember guys now, okay, we have different ways now to solve the unknowns, no? Okay, pang meron tayong two equations, okay? So, meron tayong equations na x plus y equal to 180, okay? X minus y equal to 100, okay? So, 'di ba sa past subjects nyo, okay? You can use elimination, substitution, comparison method na, okay? So, here, no, para mas mabilis, I will use elimination, okay? So, ganito yan, no? So, kung mapapansin niyo guys na yung sign ng y ay magkaiba na plus minus. So, ang gagawin niyo lang dito is to add uh, the equations, no? Yung left to left and then right to right. So, add natin. Okay. Okay, so x plus x is 2x and then y plus negative y is 0. Then 180 plus 100 is 280. So, meron ka na lang dyan 2x is equal to 280. Okay? Then divide to both sides. Okay? So x natin is equal to 280 over 2. So that will be 140. Okay? The unit is miles per hour. So the speed of the airplane in still air is 140 miles per hour. Okay? Thread yan. 140 miles per hour is letter C. Okay? Letter C. Now, if you want to solve for the speed of air, okay, you can use either equation 1 or equation 2. Ang bawa, gusto mong gamitin yung equation 1, so lalagay mo lang dyan from equation 1. Okay? So, solve mo yung y in terms of x. Okay, if equation 1, that will be, transpose mo lang x, no? Ito, dun sa right side. So, 180 minus x. Then, substitute mo yung value ng x. No? So, y is equal to 180 minus x is 140. Okay, so ibig sabihin guys na yung speed naman ng air dito, kung yun yung pinapahanap, is 40 miles per hour. Okay?